This like target animation template will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the Motion Graphics template. Let's place the template on the timeline. Here you can change the target text. Change text color from here. You can change the numbers color from here. Change number and like text position from here. Here most important part of the tutorial, let's suppose you want to add a 2000 likes target. Change the first digit from here. Now remove last zero, then change like text position. It's that simple. Let's suppose you want to add an 800 likes target. Change the first digit from here. Now remove last and second last zero, then change like text position. This way you can change like target. Change like text and like icon color from here. Rectangle stroke color and thickness can be changed from here. Change background color from here. You can position and scale the template from the Effects control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.